Okay, so we're in a standard room at the Coronado Springs Resort, and this is one of the refurbished rooms. We're in Cabanas on the first floor. So this is the room. Two queen beds, I believe, with a lot of Three Caballeros stuff. I love that. I'm sorry about the music. I cannot find the remote, and it's on this random channel with a Mickey on it, so I don't know what's happening. But they have a Keurig with a bunch of coffee, glasses, icebox, mugs, and cups, and a little brochure on Coronado Springs after its refurbishment. We also got, our recreation guide. They actually have painting experience here, which is cool. Looks like they have yoga, running trail, fire pit, and stained glass. They also had an abstract thing instead of having which I'll show you guys later, but instead of having, cartoons drawn of you, you could do an abstract painting of you, which is really cool. So, phone outlets, tons of outlets. Let's turn the lights on. This is nice. And they got little reading lights out here that come out too. Oops, sorry. So when you take it out, it just turns on, and then when you put it away, it's off. I love that. Oh, found the remote. But yeah, there's these doors close obviously, but then we have the bathroom with these nice deep sinks. Fan just turned on the shower while I walked by. And we get all these amenities, mouthwash, shower gel, body lotion, shower cap, I guess, and some cabinets in here, and some, racks and hooks. And I think there's lots of hanging space in this closet as well. Extra pillows, blankets, whole 9 yards. And then there's the bathroom, which we'll turn the lights on so we can see. Pretty big, not too small to get in, and I feel like the value bathrooms are way smaller, so it's nice to have room to change and stuff. And there's a lot of hooks, so I love that. Wish it wasn't so loud with the fan, but you also have the removable shower head and the rain shower up there as well. So this is really nice. I'm pretty excited to stay here. We're just doing one night, and then we'll show you guys We'll show you guys the rest of oh, this mirror is randomly here. Okay. The rest of the resorts that we're staying at. We're staying at All Star Movies and Pop as well. So, but yeah, that's the tour. Comment below if you've stayed here and love it, or if you've wanted to try the towers. Hopefully we'll see that, once we come back. We'll stay at you can actually see it from right here. Grandestino Tower right there. Yep.